Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here tonight, or this evening, because we have a country. We had an election. A lot of you here, you sent money, you spent your money, you made some noise, you created awareness, you mobilized people, you put in a lot of effort, even though some of us are not able to be there. But INEC and the ruling party had a different plan. Right now, we are now confined to the Nigerian Judiciary. While they are at 8, we have to let them know how we feel. That is why we are gathered here. And we have to keep doing this till kingdom come, until the right thing starts happening in Nigeria. Thank you very much. I'd like to call on our big brother, Honorable Christensen, with the welcome speech to this crowd and to the our guest speakers as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Austin Ozemene. Obi-Datti group, are you here? Yeah. Make some noise! Yeah. Make some noise! Yeah. Make some noise! Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to say enough is enough. Nigeria, not only in Africa, in the whole of the world, Nigerians are smart people. Nigerians are intelligent people. How long can we continue to allow certain elite to run our lives, to see white and call it black, to see black and call it white? Like Obi said, we are here to make sure that we stop this rascality. Everybody say, stop your rascality.
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 We cannot continue like this, for goodness sake. We have evidences to show that the election, I've never seen or heard about election in Nigeria organized in this scale, in the manner. Many people who don't believe in the system, many people say my vote don't count. They came out and they voted only for their efforts to be thwarted. How long can we continue to have this? This is why we are here. Some people are saying, okay, the election is finished. And let's just move along. Oh no. We moved along in 2015. We moved along in 2019. And then you want us to move along in 2023. Enough is enough. There's a time that we draw the line. And this is the time. We will continue to register our dissatisfaction with the way things are being run in Nigeria. If we don't say anything, nothing will happen. It will be business as usual. So brothers and sisters, I seize this opportunity to welcome you today and to ask you to continue in your fight for justice. All we're asking is free, fair election. Fairness, equity, and justice. That's all. We're not asking for more than that. And I'm not going to speak too long because I know we have many speakers. And our sister, all the way from Nigeria, who has been fighting this cause before the election. Put your hands together for her. God will bless you. God will bless you. Your efforts will not go for nothing.
Amen.
Our efforts will not go for nothing.
Amen.
We must keep fighting this fight in the name of God.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.